On the road again. Just can't wait to be on the road again. Life I'm loving, making mystic with my friends. I can't wait to be on the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. So, I'm headed your way. I'm gonna be heading out again like I used to do, but it's too cold up here. I'm gonna be heading south and working my way across the country out to San Francisco, where I'm going to be teaching people how to live their avatar life, but I'll be teaching and sharing and doing book signings and stuff all over the country. I'll be going through Connecticut and New Jersey and Pennsylvania and let me see, where else am I going? Norfolk, Virginia, Alexandria, Virginia, Washington, D.C., Atlanta, Georgia, the Golden Temple in Arkansas, and Houston, Texas, and Austin, Texas, and a lot of other places. So be watching for me, and I will see you along the way. I will probably be leaving in like a week or two. So be watching your Facebook, or go to my Discord, or go to my YouTube, or wherever you're used to seeing me. In fact, wherever you're seeing this. So I'll be doing lives and doing workshops and book signings and other stuff while I'm out on the road. So participate, be a part. It'll be fun. I guarantee it. It'll be fun to watch and even funner to participate if I happen to be lucky enough to be able to meet up with you and trade hugs. So by all means, keep following me if you can, because I'll be on the road again. Love you all. Namaste. Have a beautiful day.